Welcome to our introduction to modeling in Maya 2011. The first thing to look at when opening Maya is the general interface and shortcuts. Please be aware that any shortcuts that are mentioned here are for Windows interface. What you see in the center of the window is our stage. You can navigate around the stage by clicking Alt and left mouse buttons to rotate. Alt and middle mouse buttons click to move, and the scroll wheel to zoom. Now we will create some objects. To create shapes, open the Create tab, Polygon Primitives, and then select your shape. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will stick to the basic cube. Once your shape is selected, click and drag on the stage to determine the base of your shape, and drag again to determine the height. You can create as many shapes as you want. By clicking 4 or 5, you can switch between wireframe mode and solid mode. You can also change the view of the stage by clicking on these icons on the left. Now let's talk about selections. Right-click and hold on the object and a menu will appear. You have 4 options here that will be useful to when starting out. These are Object Mode, Face, Vertex, and Edge. These are different ways of selecting your model. Object Mode selects the whole object. Face Mode allows you to select a face. Vertex Mode allows you to select an intersection point in the mesh. And Edge Mode allows you to select an edge. Now we can start modifying the mesh. To do this, we use the keys Q, W, E, and R. Q is selection mode, which allows you to select objects and parts and not modify them. W is move mode, which allows you to move points, objects, etc. around. E is rotate mode and allows you to rotate shapes and shape components. R is resize mode and allows you to scale objects and components up and down. Once you are done playing around with your points, you may feel the need to add more geometry to work with it. To do this, we can use the Cut Polygon tool, Insert Edge Loop tool, and Split Polygon tool. These can all be found in the Mesh tab. If the Mesh tab is not visible, be sure that you are in Polygons mode. A note about the Split Polygon tool is that you need to click Enter when you are done adding geometry. Press Ctrl Z to undo. Now I will use these tools to create a quick mannequin that will be used in the following Maya tutorials. Note that to delete a model, you just click Delete with the model selected. And that finishes the tutorial on the basics of modeling in Maya.